Hello everyone, my name is Espoir Honso. Passage C. Test Muslim Brotherhood. To understand a Muslim Brotherhood, we need to first know how it is structured and what it represents ideologically. The original Muslim Brotherhood was established in 1928 by Hassan al-Banna, an Egyptian school teacher. Its initial activities were concentrated in the town of Ismailia in northeastern Egypt. However, due to al-Banna's charismatic personality and skill as a community organizer, the group grew rapidly into a mass organization throughout Egypt. The Muslim Brotherhood was devoted to education and social work. It was also focused on enhancing religious piety among Muslims and countering Western influence during the colonial period by building an Islamic identity. There are different opinions, however, about what this means. Various groups and individuals associated with the Muslim Brotherhood have over the last decade been engaged in elaborate discussion about their view on democracy and secularism. The group spread to other Muslim countries but has its largest or one of its largest organizations in Egypt. The movement was supported by Saudi Arabia, with which it shared mutual enemies like communists. The Egyptian Muslim Brotherhood was legalized in 2011 and won several elections, including the 2012 presidential election when its candidate Mohamed Morsi became Egypt's first president to gain power throughout an election. Throughout 1 year later, following massive demonstrations and unrest, he was overthrown by the military and placed under house arrest. The group was ban- banned in banned in Egypt and declared a terrorist organization. Persian Gulf monarchy of Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates followed suit, driven by the perception that the Brotherhood is a threat to the authoritarian rule. The Brotherhood itself claimed to be a peaceful, democratic organization. The Muslim Brotherhood exists in the form of many local organizations and well as an international organization. Research shows there isn't a coherent Muslim Brotherhood ideology, stage or stable. Thank you, teacher.